Here's a Roadster to check out, unique especially in classics. It's a 2000 Plymouth Prowler Roadster. 10,868 actual miles on this car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 3.5 liter V6 dual overhead cam, high output engine underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You can see paint on this one shows well up front. We haven't had one of these in for a while, and when we do get them in, they do not last long. So if you've been in the market for one of these, definitely give us a call. You can check out the still pictures. It'll be the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. All the still pictures will be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 5-spoke chrome wheels. See disc brakes up front. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint shows well. No major nicks, dings, scratches. I really haven't noticed much of anything in this car. A little larger, same style chrome wheel. Those are the factory chrome wheels. Of course, disc brakes in the rear also. 2-seat Roadster, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, fire it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a little peek underneath the hood. I'll also put the top up so we can check out the condition of that. You'll be able to see how I do it. I'll also put it back down. Very simple for one person to do. Does not take, I don't suppose, more than a minute or so. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few service things that were just done recently on this. It does have a new headlight switch and new oil sending unit. Previous owner wanted to make sure you're aware of that. Of course, when this was designed, kind of was to harken back to the old hot rod days with more of a modern feel and drivetrain and everything to it. If you like the modern kind of retro things that were brought back, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. If you want to see exactly how this car is equipped too, there'll be a picture of the window sticker that is in with the still pictures. Let me turn that key, pull it a second so we don't have to listen to the ding. I want to show you some of the interior options. Of course, you have the modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course the leather bucket seats, and you can see the condition of the seating surfaces. Again, what you would expect with a car with this kind of miles, well taken care of. AM FM cassette player. There is a CD changer back here, if you can see that. Tack mounted on the steering column. Of course, that center dash gauge cluster like you'd see in the old hot rods. Let's fire this up. Okay, what did I say? I believe it was 10,868. Oh, excuse me, the deck is open. Let me close that a second so we can get the miles. All right, sorry about that. That's just a warning that the trunk lid or deck lid wasn't closed all the way. I took just a little push, went all the way down. There it is, 10,868. Check out the rest of the gauges. Oil pressure, voltmeter, working fuel. Temp, that was a cold start. Wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. I can vouch for the AC blowing cold, no doubt about that. Stereo system working, obviously. All right. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy with exhaust, just a nice sounding car. Definitely a blast to drive. Nice handling. And remember, very end of this video, we are going to take it for a drive. But first, let's take a peek at the engine bay. Then I'm going to put the top up, show you how that folds up. Check out the condition. go from there. All right, I have the hood propped. Just so you know, previous owner had a prop rod for it that will go with it. The struts that are back here could use replacing. The hood won't stay quite all the way open and up like it should. He wanted to make you aware of that, have us point it out. But if you need the hood open, there you go. Something else I wanted to mention, this is one of 572 produced in yellow in 2000. And there you get an idea what the engine bay looks like. There's that 3.5 liter. Again, 24 valve, as you can see, V6. Something I always thought was interesting on these was how they produced it with the Coney shocks up front and the location of the battery. And that has to do with the weight distribution, obviously. So nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Here's stock underneath there. Not noticing any major modifications under the hood. Smooth runner. Looks good, sounds good. All right, let me go ahead and get this hood closed up. I want to get the camera on the tripod. I'm going to fold up the top, show you how the top goes up. We'll check out the condition of that. All right, let's take a little closer look at this top. Rolled up the side glass, as you can see. Nice tight fit. So black fabric top. Looking good on the passenger side. Slip around the back, so glass rear window with rear defrost. Little tiny bit of a wear spot right there, but boy, you can barely see it. It's not going to affect how it performs or anything like that. This thing, if you need to keep you out of the rain, wind, want the AC on, it's going to work just fine. What you'd expect with this kind of miles, clean Carfax, side glass, passenger side, fits nicely, nice fit above the windshield. No worries with that top up. All right, let me show you how it's gonna go back down real quick. Show you a couple things on the inside. So, there's a latch right there. That latch will pop the top, canvas top or cloth top from right in front of the deck lid. And then there is actually a button, if you can see it, right back here, that we're going to push, and that is going to open up the deck lid so we can put the top and fold it up in the rear portion. So let me get the camera on a tripod so you can see that and show you how easy this works. Of course, there's a couple handles up front that you would need to loosen also, so it can fold back. I'd like to see that. Those are right here on each side, piece of cake. A couple little levers to flip passenger and driver side. So give me a second. I'm going to set this camera up and show you how this top folds down, and we'll wrap up this walk around video. But stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And there you can see, top folding down, quite simple. One person can do it easy enough. So there you go, 2000 Prowler, 10,868 miles at the moment. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2000 Plymouth Prowler in bright yellow. You don't see very many of these. This is an automatic, which makes it easy to drive. We got an aftermarket tach mounted to the column. This car has kind of an exotic exhaust note. Sounds really good. Strong acceleration from this car. Very nice handling. Our oil pressure is reading 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Volts about the same, just under 14. Speedometer is working well. Fuel gauge reading 3/4 of a tank, and the temperature is almost at the halfway point, so that all looks good. Factory stereo. That is working as well. Our AC is blowing cold. However, we do have the top down today on this convertible. Comfortable bucket seats in this car. Our brakes are working very well. This car grips the corners nicely and doesn't lean much at all. Very good sound to the ears pushing on the throttle. Very fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Prowler at uniqueclassiccars.com.